the channel, or welcome back to the channel. My name is Yasmine, and today I'm doing a video you guys voted for. On Facebook, I asked a whole bunch of groups if they wanted to see what's in my Louis Vuitton bag or me cleaning out my pantry. And a lot of you guys said to clean my pantry. She's coming. You can hear her. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm going to be organizing my pantry, and this is the pantry that I have in my little small kitchen. We use the top and the bottom for food, and then we've got like the refrigerator and stuff, like spices and stuff like that. We kind of have like on the counter, and then we've got like, we're just organizing what's in my actual pantry today. My daughter's literally walking right next to me, and I love it. I love the energy. Yes, girlfriend, walk. We walk. Look at this atrocious, I don't even know. I'm gonna leave this open while I do a little haul. This is a little Dollar Tree haul of the stuff that I got to organize my pantry. I also got stuff for my daughter's birthday, but that's gonna be in another video. From Dollar Tree, I got a whole bunch of like baskets, basically. So the first two that I got look like this. They remind me of like huge, ginormous like fry trays. I don't really know what I'm gonna be putting in these yet. Maybe like top ramen and like chips and stuff. Who knows? 4 of these. I went for like the beige little neutral color, but red is like something I just like really like in general. So let's see. A bottle of water. I got 3 of these. They just look like this. I was thinking like onions and garlic and potatoes and stuff. Is that your shoe that you're playing with? No, you're not putting it in your mouth. What do you want to do? You want to watch mommy eat snacks? I definitely need a garbage bag. This is literally 3 months worth of damage. So there shouldn't be anything expired in here or anything. I think we should just get started. I need a chair. A lot of the expired stuff is either bagels, baby food. Bagels always expire because I'm the only one that eats them. So much oatmeal. Who eats this much oatmeal? I don't know where to start. I think I want the cans right here. What are you doing? got a few popcorn. I'm gonna stick the popcorn in there too because they're all in bags. Whatever. They're totally like different. But it's fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I have to clean this kitchen out a little bit, but I cleaned the pantry. See you guys next video.